With the cold weather approaching, I thought now would be a great time to talk about how to dress kids appropriately for the weather. In America, we have central heating and air, which means that we have a system that regulates the temperatures indoors. So just because it's cold outside doesn't mean it's not going to be nice and warm inside. It's important to remember this when dressing the children. I always try to dress them in layers. This is great because then they can take off their sweater if they're feeling warm, or they can put their sweater on if they're feeling cool. So it's definitely something to keep in mind when you're thinking of dressing the kids. I put a more detailed explanation of what temperatures you should be looking at to determine what type of jacket they should be wearing, or if they should be wearing long sleeves and short sleeves. But usually when it's below 60 degrees, you're going to want to send them with a winter coat and hats, gloves, the whole bit. The hat is especially important. It has to cover their ears, or a lot of times they'll wear earmuffs, and a scarf is always good too. When you're sending them to school, if it's snowing outside, make sure that they have snow boots and snow gloves. These are going to be thicker gloves. They are water resistant so the kids can play in the snow. And it is important to send them to school with sneakers as well, because those snow boots are going to be very slippery and uncomfortable, and especially if it's gym day, they need to have their appropriate sneakers. So make sure to check with their schedule to see if they're going to need those for gym. It's very important to talk to the host parents about what they expect the children to be wearing in these conditions. A lot of parents feel very strongly about having them wear their winter coat, even if they say that they're warm. So make sure that you talk to the host parents about this and that the kids are aware of this, or they will try to not wear their winter coat and try to pull a fast one on you. So definitely make sure to talk to the host parents about that and have them remind the children in case they forget. I hope this helps you with trying to figure out how to dress the children appropriately. For more information, check out the blog, and I'll see you on Facebook.